Thank you, Madam Speaker. I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for this question. Madam Speaker, out of the 200 new primary school teachers, all 200 positions have been filled. 189 have been posted to primary schools in different parts of Fiji. I've got a list here. The Honourable Member wants it. But 11 of them actually have been posted to special schools. As you know, we have special schools in Fiji, throughout Fiji. And the special schools are, Madam Speaker, Nasavusavu Special School, Fiji School for the Blind, Suva Special School, South Tavuni Primary School, Nora Fraser Special School, Sunshine Special School, Hilton Early Intervention Center, Bar School for Special Education, Nora Fraser Special School, again, Singapore Special School. And out of the 50 new secondary school teacher positions, Madam Speaker, 45 actually have been filled. The other 5 have not been filled because they are looking specifically for teachers in specified areas, in particular in the areas of maths, physics, computers, biology, chemistry, and home economics, and we hope to have them filled up soon. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.